In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Jira Atlassian for free with Atlassian's official tools and training. If you've been wanting to build project management, Scrum, or software tracking skills without paying for expensive boot camps, this is a great path to follow. Atlassian offers a free cloud version of Jira along with official learning resources that let you practice in a real environment at your own pace. By the end of this process, you'll have your own sandbox, access to free courses, hands-on practice projects, and a way to earn shareable badges. First, open your browser and go to atlassian.com/software Jira free. Once the page loads, click the Get It Free button. From there, follow the setup prompts using your own email address and create a unique site URL for your learning workspace. This gives you a personal Jira Cloud sandbox where you can practice safely without affecting a real production team. Setup usually only takes a couple of minutes, so just follow the prompts and let Jira finish creating your site. Once your sandbox is ready, open a new browser tab and go to Atlassian University through university.atlassian.com. Inside the learning portal, use the search and filter tools to narrow the catalog to Jira software and set the price filter to free. This is the easiest way to find Atlassian's official no-cost training, instead of relying on scattered third-party content. From there, look for the course called Jira Fundamentals and open it. This is the core starting point for learning the platform properly. It walks you through the Jira interface, how issues are created and organized, how epics work, and how agile boards are structured. If you're new to Jira, this foundation is important because it makes the more advanced topics much easier to understand later. Next, switch back to your Jira sandbox and create a project. Choose either the Scrum or Kanban template, depending on what you want to practice. During setup, make sure to select the option to explore with sample data. This is a helpful feature because it fills your project with example tasks, backlog items, and board activity, so you can practice moving issues, reviewing workflows, and understanding how a team board operates without needing to create everything from scratch. If you already know the basics, you can go further by enrolling in additional free courses such as Introduction to JQL, Managing Agile Boards and Reports, or Customizing Jira Workflows. These are useful for building more advanced skills in searching, reporting, and automation. Finally, once you complete an official course, scroll to the assessment section and finish the knowledge check. After passing, Atlassian updates your learner profile and awards a shareable badge that you can add to your professional profiles or resume. That's it. You now have a free, structured way to learn Jira using Atlassian's own platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.